Welcome back, guys. Jason Campbell here with ZimbrickAudi of Madison. I wanted just to do a short video today on one of the many services we offer, and that is window tint. Voila! Here's the S5 Sportback now with 35% window tint all the way around, except for the front windshield, of course. We do offer various types of tint here, different percentages. Again, the tint percentage is a function of how much light gets through the window. So a lower number, like a 30 to 35% tint, is going to be a darker color than if you got a 50% tint. Tint is something that we can do here right at the dealership. So right after you purchase a car, even before taking it home, if you give us a day or two, we can get it all tinted out for you before you even pick up the vehicle. So people get window tint for a few different reasons. The main one probably being privacy. And the other, if you do live in a warmer climate, is it gives you a much cooler cabin. Significantly cooler, depending on what percent of the tint that you end up doing. I did it mainly for the privacy, and I think it just looks a lot cooler as well. So depending on what state you live in, you might want to double check your state's tint laws. Different states have different percentages for what they'll allow on the front windows and then the rear windows as well. Here in Wisconsin, you can do 50% tint in the front and a darker 30%, 35% in the back. So make sure you double check your tints or your state's tint laws. So we do have somebody here at Zimbrick that comes here and does the tint for us on site. The tint itself, it's applied, it's a thin film, and it's actually applied to the inside of the window. So you're not going to get any scratches on the outside, rolling up and down your window. It never gets any, ticks, scratches, holes. It's a very clean film that is extremely reliable. So when you order the S5, you can choose between summer tires or all-season tires. You're not going to want to choose the all-season tires. You're not going to want those in the winter. They don't handle quite as well. And likewise, you're not going to want those in the summer. The summer low-profile tires handle incredibly, and then the winter tire, for the winter, it's going to give you a lot more safety and traction. Thanks for checking out our video today, guys. Again, Jason Campbell here at ZimbrickAudi of Madison. Make sure you tune in and check out our other videos that'll be linked below. And check out our new inventory, our new 2021 inventory coming in right now. Thanks so much. See you guys later.